All right, guys, Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts, and in this video, we're going to talk about Peace and Calming Essential Oil. Definitely a must-have for many reasons. So here is a picture of Peace and Calming. It's 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oil blend. So before we begin, we're going to talk about this disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you're pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. So here is Young Living's logo, their Seed-to-Seal quality commitment. They have been established since 1994, and I am just super passionate about them. So let's dig into different oils. So all oils in the world fall into one of four categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. Authentic means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottle. These are Young Living oils. Manipulated means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species introduced to enhance aroma. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance aroma. These oils have no therapeutic action, and frequently solvents are used to extract the plant. Synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products. These are synthetic. Authentic is the only true pure oil. Synthetic oils would be like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice, and diluting it 95% before you drink it, but diluting it with chemicals. Yuck. It just wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of only just orange juice. So that's why you want authentic oils. So before you purchase any oils out there, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process from the farm to the sealed bottle, because pesticides, pollution, previously farmland, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical only to use an oil laden with chemicals? It just doesn't make any sense. So for example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll see nutrition facts on the side, but there are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. That means you have to trust the source. You have to know the company you are purchasing from. So what sets Young Living aside? It's their seed to seal process. It's their promise of purity. And you can actually learn more about seed to seal at seedtoseal.com. So all of Young Living oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where they actually run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm at Spanish Fork and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil in more than 2 decades of business. You definitely can trust the integrity. Seed to Seal is also based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards, and Young Living oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience. They also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So Young Living Seed to Seal process is the promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak and they're then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. So Seed to Seal is not a slogan, it is a promise. All right, let's dig into Peace and Calming. So Peace and Calming is a gentle, sweet blend of Ylang Ylang orange, tangerine, patchouli, and blue tansy, and is one of Young Living's most popular essential oil blends. Again, I absolutely love it. I actually love so many different oils out there. But with a calming sweet aroma, this blend is one you'll love using during your children's bedtime and for yourself after the house has settled down. So here are some ideas for applications. You can actually apply Peace and Calming to the bottoms of your feet at night as part of a bedtime ritual for your whole family. You can actually dilute it with V6, a vegetable oil complex, for a calming back massage before naps or bed. You can also combine it with Citrus Fresh Essential Oil Blend, which is found in the starter kit as well, for a bright, invigorating scent that's perfect for mornings before school or practice. And you can also add 4 to 5 drops to 1 cup of Epsom salt for a centering bath at the start of the day or as part of a calming evening routine. You can also add it to Young Living's bath and shower gel base for a great cleanser your entire family will love. And where to diffuse, you can fill your bedroom with a warm, comforting aroma. When you cuddle under the blankets, you can refresh play and steady spaces with a sweet scent. And you can also infuse your steamy shower with a grounding aroma after a busy day of work and errands. You can also make home a haven with the inviting aroma and encouraging gathering among the ones you love. You can enrich your yoga or personal space for a fulfilling moment of meditation or contemplation. You can also transport yourself from a cluttered work desk to an idyllic countryside. So this fragrant oil blend is a wonderful addition to your meditation, evening routine, or playtime with the kids. With a comforting, fresh aroma, Peace and Calming has become a popular oil for everything from enhancing the environment in your home to applying as a personal fragrance for any occasion. So for directions, you can actually dilute 1 drop of essential oil, the Peace and Calming essential oil, with 1 drop of V6 or other carrier oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, and you can apply to desired area as needed. And you can also diffuse up to 1 hour 3 times daily. And here are some great diffuser blends. Chocolate orange, you can add 3 drops of orange essential oil with 3 drops of Peace and Calming essential oil, 3 drops of Copaiba essential oil, and 1 drop of cinnamon bark essential oil. So cautions, keep out of reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult a health professional prior to use. And you also want to avoid direct sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying product. So here's some amazing background information regarding Peace and Calming. Peace and Calming is a D. Gary Young, who is the founder of Young Living, original blend and is one of Young Living's most popular products. This Young Living exclusive is made from 5 therapeutic grade essential oils, including tangerine and orange, which contains some of the highest naturally occurring levels of the constituent limonene. I'm not 100% positive what that is, but that's good to know after doing this video. And this blend also has Yangling essential oil, which is steam distilled, and its comforting aroma makes it a great companion for activities like yoga, bedtime, and study. And Peace and Calming essential oil blend actually joined the Young Living family in 1994. And here is the lovely Peace and Calming essential oil. If you guys have any questions regarding this, I would love to help you out in any way, even if you would like a sample. But anyway, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care and God bless.